Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeChef. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the most important pillars of object-oriented programming. Make sure you practice alongside this video by running the code yourself on the CodeChef online compiler. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's get started.
Aggregation and composition in Java. Aggregation in Java. What is aggregation? Aggregation represents a has-a relationship between classes. It means one class contains another class as a reference, but the contained object can exist independently. In simple words, a child object does not depend on the parent object for its existence. A real-world example would be a library has a book, but if the library closes, the book still exists. So this is aggregation. The key characters of aggregation are 1. That it represents a has-a relationship. 2. The contained object can exist independently. 3. The parent class does not control the life cycle of the child object. Now here let's look at an example. Here we'll create a book class and a library class that contains a book. Now let's look at the code. Here we have class book, string title and string author. The book class has two variables, that is title and author. Now we have public book, string title, string author. These are the constructors to initialize book details. Now we have public string get title, which will return title, and we have our main. So here in class library, string library name, book. This here library contains a book reference. This shows aggregation. Now public library, string library name and book, these are our constructors, and the book object is passed from outside. Library does not create the book itself. Now this proves the book can exist independently. So here we will be printing out the book name and accessing the book's attributes. Here we create a book object. So here we've given the name of the book as The Lord of the Rings and the author as J.R.R. Tolkien. Now we create a library object associating it with the book. So the library receives the book over here and this will display the library information. So now let's submit this. So this shows that we can see the name of the library and the book of the title of the book. This shows the library has a book and it does not control the book's life cycle. Composition in Java. What is composition? Composition is also a has-a relationship, but it is stronger than aggregation. In composition, one class owns another class. The child object cannot exist independently. For example, a car has an engine, but if the car is destroyed, the engine cannot function as a car component anymore. So this is composition. The key characteristics of composition are it represents a strong has-a relationship and the child object depends on the parent. The parent controls the life cycle of the object. Now here let's look at an example. We will create a department class, a university class that contains a department, but this time the university will create the department internally. So now let's look at the code. Here we can see class department, private string name. This stores the department name. Then we have public department. This dot name is the constructor initializing the department. Then we have get name, which will return the name. Now we have class university. We have class university and private department. So university contains a department. We have a has-a department over here, and now the university creates the department internally. So you can see this dot department creates a new department object. Now then we have public string name, which will return the name, and here we are accessing the department's method. So this means the university creates the department internally and department depends on the university. Now these lines will print out the university name and the department name, and this is our main function, which will create the new university object, which is MIT and computer science. Here we only create the university, the department is created automatically inside it. So now let's try running the program. Here you can see university name as MIT and department name computer science. Aggregation versus composition. The key differences between them are aggregation is a weak relationship where the child object can exist independently and parent does not control its life cycle. For example, a department has students and if the department closes, students still exist. Whereas composition has a strong relationship, the child object depends on the parent. The parent controls the life cycle. For example, a body has a heart and if the body dies, the heart cannot function independently. Now let's look at a table that summarizes our features of aggregation and composition. So here you can see that for both aggregation and composition, the relationship type is has a. The relationship strength of an aggregation is weak, whereas of composition is strong. The object dependency of aggregation is that it is independent of the child and parent, whereas in composition it is totally dependent. The life cycle control in aggregation is not controlled by parent, whereas the life cycle is controlled by parent in composition. An example is of a library and its book, and here an example of composition is car and its engine.
So that's it for this video. Practice what you've learned today on the CodeChef online compiler. Try doing various variations of what you have learned today. Hands-on practice is the best way to learn. Keep practicing, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video.